How can a computer keyboard be improved? The answer is on your screen. This is how specialists from Latvia see the future of this accessory. Depending on the model, the keyboard of the future offers from 24 to 29 programmable keys, a joystick, and a special 5-position switch. The design allows you to flexibly adjust the keyboard to suit the palm of your hand. To do this, you'll need a special screwdriver that comes with the device. The device weighs 2.5 pounds and is powered by USB. The internal memory is enough to save several control profiles. Right-handed and left-handed versions are also available. The developers claim that they've managed to combine the advantages of a classic keyboard and a gamepad in one gadget. So, we have a question for gamers. Do you think that this gadget will be convenient to use? These sneakers not only have an unusual shape, but they were also made in a very special way. The entire shoe is 3D printed and made of a special polymer called TPE, which combines flexibility, tensile strength, and elasticity. The material can withstand temperatures of up to 219.2 degrees Fahrenheit, and the elements can be as little as 0.04 inches thick. The creators of these sneakers, German architect and designer Stefan Henrich, points out that the unusual shape of the sole was chosen for a reason. The name of the shoe, Cryptid, refers to extinct or mythical creatures, and if you walk on the ground in these shoes, you can leave footprints like Bigfoot. So don't be frightened if you see such footprints. Now let's go back to Italy, to the Lazarini design studio. This time we're going to check out some floating apartment blocks, which can be perfect for resorts. The units are known as Pearl Suites, and the standard version includes everything you need for a comfortable stay. The 237 square foot space includes a terrace, a bathroom, a toilet, and a transformable studio bedroom. The roof, partly made of photochromic glass, folds down so that you can comfortably sunbathe in good weather, and a small electric motor is provided for maneuvering. Thank you. Now we're in Germany. The Mercedes-Benz team there is setting new standards for range and efficiency using electric power. The Vision EQXX concept car travels more than 621 miles on a single charge, thanks to advanced aerodynamics. For example, the drag coefficient of an ordinary passenger car is about 0.3, while that of this concept car is only 0.17. The engineers also followed the latest trends and made everything as environmentally friendly as possible. The interior trim uses bamboo, vegan silk, and materials derived from mushrooms and cacti. There's also a solar panel that, in ideal conditions, will increase the range by 16 miles per day. The French have also managed to surprise us. The engineers from Alpine have joined forces with Italian design students and presented a concept supercar with a hydrogen engine. The model is known as the Alpine A4810, and the numbers were chosen for a reason. 4810 meters is the height of Mont Blanc, one of the iconic peaks of the Alps and the highest mountain in the EU. In addition, Mont Blanc is located on the border between Italy and France. Sadly, the model will not hit the markets. In fact, it's just a way to showcase the talents of the next generation of automotive designers, as well as to pay homage to Alpine's history. The design is inspired by F1 cars, with active use of carbon fiber, and the color scheme creates a contrast that highlights the most striking elements. This and other similar bikes are being built to set new speed records. The idea is to build a version that runs only on human strength and makes maximum use of aerodynamics. Competition in the pursuit of records is fierce. In 2013, the Dutch team Human Power managed to reach 83.13 miles per hour. In 2015, the Canadian Aerovelo team went further by accelerating to 86 miles per hour. In 2016, there was a model called ETA, which reached 90 miles per hour. Pilots are assisted by cameras, as well as onboard computers that give prompts at the right moment. Materials include carbon fiber, and the drop-shaped design requires piloting practically lying down, like in a Formula One bolide. Pod taxis, or personal rapid transit, offer an efficient and eco-friendly solution for urban transportation. Driverless and automated, these small pods can bypass traffic, running on renewable energy sources. Their installation could transform how people move within busy cities. The creators of this power source believe that your home is your castle, and it's worth protecting. According to them, nowadays, there are more and more cases of mass power outages. So having a backup battery wouldn't do any harm. The capacity of the device is 6.9 kilowatt hours, which is one of the best indicators in the home power supply market. With this capacity, you can charge your smartphone 460 times, keep your fridge running for about 7 hours, or watch TV for almost 63 hours. Each unit is equipped with 19 different ports for all occasions, from USB ports to electric car outlets. Additionally, there are 2 wireless panels for charging smartphones, and the state-of-the-art technology helps charge the battery to 100% in just 2.5 hours.